The 2025 Lincoln Navigator marks the most significant update to Lincoln's flagship SUV in years, bringing fresh design, advanced technology, and elevated luxury to one of the most recognizable names in the full-size segment. Replacing a model that dated back to 2018, the new Navigator arrives ready to compete with premium rivals like the Cadillac Escalade, Jeep Grand Wagoneer, and Infiniti QX80 while staying true to Lincoln's quiet, refined identity. Visually, the 2025 Navigator receives a thoroughly updated exterior with new sheet metal on nearly every panel. A grille-integrated light bar introduces an animated welcome sequence, adding drama and sophistication when approaching the vehicle. New wheel designs, including available 24-inch aluminum wheels, enhance its road presence. Black Label trims introduce unique styling themes, including radiant copper accents and bold finishes that further distinguish the Navigator from its competitors. Inside, the transformation is even more dramatic. The centerpiece is a massive 48-inch panoramic display that stretches across the dashboard, positioned high to keep the driver's eyes closer to the road. A secondary 11.1-inch touchscreen manages climate and vehicle controls, while a heated flat-bottom steering wheel adds a sporty touch. Materials, textures, and lighting reflect Lincoln's sanctuary-inspired interior philosophy. Lincoln leans heavily into wellness with its new Rejuvenate system, turning the Navigator into a rolling spa. When parked, the SUV can run 5 or 10-minute programs combining seat massage, heating, ventilation, ambient lighting, calming sounds, and digital scent fragrance. A waterfall meditation mode pairs with a complimentary Calm subscription, reinforcing the Navigator's focus on relaxation and stress reduction. Technology upgrades go beyond comfort. Google Assistant voice commands, Google Maps, and Google Play apps are now integrated, making navigation and media seamless. Pano mode enables gaming and video playback when stationary, using the expansive display for entertainment. Driver profiles sync with keys or phones, automatically adjusting settings, while available second-row power-tailored seats offer heating, ventilation, and massage for rear passengers. Under the hood, the 2025 Navigator retains its proven twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing 440 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. Power flows through a 10-speed automatic transmission to standard 4-wheel drive. Acceleration remains strong, with a 0 to 60 time around 5.8 seconds, while fuel economy is rated at up to 16 mpg city and 22 mpg highway. Lincoln continues to offer the Navigator in standard and extended L versions. The Navigator L increases cargo capacity with a longer wheelbase and body, making it ideal for families who prioritize storage without sacrificing passenger comfort. Both versions provide generous interior space, including improved third-row legroom. Safety remains a major strength. Standard features include BlueCruise hands-free highway driving with lane change assist and in-lane repositioning, plus turn signal view, blind spot cameras, and intersection assist. With its blend of luxury, technology, and presence, the 2025 Lincoln Navigator delivers a compelling evolution of a full-size American icon.